The one time I don't actually record something. So my sister gives me this white rich people fucking make it at home food. I don't know what the fuck this is, home chef. So she told me take it home. Okay, cool. I thought it was pretty much ready to go, and I cook. I have no problem cooking. I have no idea what half this shit is. Slaw mix. I had to call her to find out what the fuck slaw mix. Apparently this is slaw. Would never have guessed it. I thought this was slaw. This looks like brake lube. And it's even shaped like it. This is the stuff you put on your brakes to stop it from squealing. I don't fuck with peanut butter, so that's not happening. Then it had me cut your onions into 45-degree angles. The fuck is that all about? I did not listen to that. Then they wanted me to remove tips off your fucking snow peas. This is some white people shit for sure. I have no idea. Then remove your lettuce and use for cups. Make sure to wash it. Nope, not washing it. Don't have time for that. Bro, cut your onions and keep the white and green portions separate. Nah, that didn't happen. Not happening. That's segregation. That's just not happening. We're all in this together. We're not going to split those up. You're in this together. Combine your slaw mix with the dressing and set it aside. Why? Why? It's going to take me fucking 2 hours to cook giant chicken breast. This should be later. That should be later. Okay. Now what? Now you want me to cook fucking... Okay. Yeah, now I gotta go cook beans over here before I do the chicken. I'm gonna do this exactly how it says, even though the chicken should have gone into the oven forever ago. Here's my deal already. So this is supposed to be like healthy for you. So they got all these vegetables and shit and, you know, chicken breast, but then you're adding 2 packets of fucking soy sauce, whatever the hell the brake fluid stuff was, marin, this crap, it's all just, that's not healthy at all. So now you just took a healthy meal and you fucked it up. And this shit is spicy as hell. Awesome. I don't do spicy food. Next up. Dude, look at this. I'm making the smallest meal and the whole kitchen table is destroyed. Also, I got peanut butter all over my fingers while mixing that. And now the dog licked it off my fingers. So I think you're supposed to wash your hands. I guess that's how you're supposed to do this. But they say a dog's mouth is cleaner than your asshole. So, moving on. So what the fuck is up with these instructions too? So there's gonna be some chicken involved here, but they want me to prepare all of the fucking all this shit and that before you cook the chicken. The chicken's gonna take a fucking hour. It's 9 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Still, why wouldn't you cook the chicken while you're preparing this? Why would that be step fucking 4? This is stupid. Or 3, cook your chicken. No, cook chicken first. Then you do all the other shit. Fuck. And I still don't know what this is. Why is it not labeled? Why would you not label it? And then some Kung Fu Tamaraki. So this is ridiculous. This is going to be a fucking mess. So my sister just called me after watching my Snapchat to inform me that when it says to taste, that means to your liking. So I didn't know that, so I added the full amount of everything. So I'm going to get max taste out of this. I don't know. Why would it say to your liking? Why does it say to taste? Okay, I'll taste it. It tastes fucking really strong. And this peanut butter is not dissolving, but we'll see what happens there. All right, I got to go pat my chicken. All right, I did a pinch of pepper. I know what that is. Got some pinches going on. All right. Now we got to go and cook up the onions and peas before we cook the chicken again, which makes no sense. Look at these poor green guys all by themselves. They were separated, not allowed to be in the pot. Sitting over here, waiting for equal rights, need their reparations. It had me segregate the white pieces of onion from the green ones. I did that. And we put these guys in here, and now it wants me to slowly stir and cook these over medium heat. Yes, I know I'm using a knife right now. I'm just trying to avoid doing more dishes. Like I said, I cook, man. I'll throw down on some Aranchera, cook steaks all day long, seafood, anything. I don't know about all this fucking gourmet cook shit. Anywho, that's why you don't stir with a spoon. Alright, so I got that going. But once again, it wanted me 2 tablespoons of oil in here. So much for it being healthy. This is why we're all dying. I would have had that without the oil or salt or pepper. get yet another mixing bowl and mix your peanut butter. Okay, I know what that is, but I don't like it. And sambal. Don't know. Oh, that's this shit. To taste. To taste. So I just make this just to taste it. I don't use it for anything. To taste. What the hell? Okay, I'm just going to make this and we'll taste it. So now it wants me to pour all that into a bowl and save that for later, but it's going to get cold because it's going to take 45 minutes for this chicken to actually cook. But I'm going to follow the directions exactly like it says. At this rate, this looks more appetizing. Alright, well, if you've been joining me on this awesome adventure, this is the part that's going to take a while, so I'll see you in 40 minutes as this cooks. I guess I'll clean up this huge mess. Let's see how this turns out. So, I'm not even hungry anymore because while I was waiting for the chicken to cook, I drank half a gallon of chocolate milk. But, I did put this in the oven at about 100 degrees to keep that warm. Science. Now we're just waiting on the chicken. And now we wait for the chicken to cool. Final verdict? What do you think? Are you going to end up eating this or am I going to end up eating this? Let's go cut up the chickens. Alright, there it is. Finished product. Finished product here. Should I, let's see. How do I do this? I have not tasted it yet. Yum yum. Is there any chicken in this piece? Okay. Okay. That actually is really good. That actually turned out really fucking good. I'm gonna give that like that's like an 8.2. That is very tasty. Okay. Good job, Pam. Thanks for the food, Pam. That's my sister. This is good. Alright, I gotta be honest. That is the chicken covered in the peanut butter weird fucking brake fluid sauce. And it's got a kick to it. And I normally wouldn't eat something like this, but it's not bad. I have yet to combine it with the slaw and these guys, and I have to make a nice little cup out of the lettuce, but this isn't bad. Alright, let's go finish it up. Get some of that slaw. Now that I know what slaw is, not bad. I'm going to have a total of 4 of these tonight, plus half a gallon of chocolate milk. Winning.